Whoa! Check out this C of O 4-bedroom duplex situated in Gulf Estates. Let's go inside to show you the compound and the rooms. Watch till the end because you are going to love this. As you can see, this is a corner plot. Look at it. Okay, let's now go inside for you to see the compound and the rooms. Yeah, that is the compound of the building. Okay, it is a 4-bedroom duplex, 1 bedroom down and 3 upstairs. So keep watching to see everything there is to be seen. Okay, that's one of the rooms, the entrance into one of the rooms. Okay, and we're entering into the master's room. Whoa, just as the name implies, the master's room. So massive, so big and beautiful. Look at it. Okay, after this room we're going to show you another room. Okay, we're just going to enter into 2 of the rooms here. So look at the wardrobe, well segmented. Wow, so big and beautiful. Whoa. Okay, that's the wardrobe, and then the restroom. That's the entrance into the restroom. Aha. Okay, look at it. It's beautiful, right? Yeah, I told you you're gonna like it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right away. Click on the like button to like the videos. Click on the subscribe. You see a place written subscribe, and then go and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will be notified. Yeah, so we're entering into the second room. Okay, remember I told you we are just going to show you two of the rooms up here. So this is the second room we are going to show you. Look at how beautiful and big it is as well. Okay, so let's enter into the restroom to see how neat it is. The wardrobe, as you can see, the restroom. Whoa, yeah, I told you it's a very beautiful and luxurious duplex. Oh wow, I hope you love what I showed you in there. We are driving out now. I want to show you the environment. We've already seen that it is a corner plot, so I'm just going to show you the road. As you can see, the estate is starred. It's a very peaceful and calm environment. Okay, so I am still your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria, Loveth Aneke. Call me on 0803 743 5005. Call me, let me tell you more about real estate investment here in Enugu State. Call me, let me tell you also the places to invest your money and you will earn good return on your investments. Until I come your way again, bye for now.